Together we ride on this winding road. So join us, folks, on this journey of ours, with love and laughter. We'll reach for the stars. In our truck, with our dogs, we're making our way. Come along for the ride, it's a brand new day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Sunday morning, and we are picking up our load here in Olive Branch, Mississippi, and we're headed to Texas. We're backing up to the trailer now. We're going to show you how as a team we take care of this. Quick, fast, and easy. And how we do things. Dropping the airbags right now. We'll back under the trailer. Right about there. We'll lift our airbags up and the wife's taking over. Alright, we're all hooked up. Now I gotta fill out the paperwork. So, it's 27 skids. Now I gotta add up the weights because they don't give you one top sheet. 9,074 pounds at 18 degrees Celsius. Bill laden's gonna be... Thought I was going to tell you. Come on. Alright. Departing trailer. Oh, you thought I was going to tell you that one too? Get out of here. Alright, I gotta fill this out and I gotta do my walk around, take photos, and we'll get out of here. So all the paperwork is done, and we are headed out the gate now. So, we will leave here, run over into, I guess I want to come out of here once this gate opens and I get close enough, and we've got to there's a couple different ways we could go. Since we're on the 269, I'm probably we get out on the 269 right out here, we can. I'll probably just stay on the 269, but I could go up through Memphis, get on 240 to 55, or I could go into Memphis. I don't know if y'all know where the old double pilot was, where they're doing all that construction, and make a left right there and run that to 55. But in all honesty, I think staying on the 269, which is, I think I'd have to go a little south. I don't know, I'm gonna have to get out here and look at it. Pretty sure, yeah, the way they're telling me to go is to go into Memphis and go on 240. But if I just go a little bit south, I could get on the 269 and go that way, but I don't know yet. I was thinking I was a little closer to the 269. Technically, I am. I could come out to the end of this road and make a left and take the 302 over to the 269 and just get on there. But it's adding miles and adding time. We don't have to be in Texas till the first stop in Texas until midnight tonight, which would be 11 p.m. their time. So we got plenty of time. But anyways, I'll be running across 40 to Little Rock. We'll get to Little Rock, we'll get on the 59 and head 59 south, take 59 all the way down into Texas. So I'll be running some back roads. Which not, I mean, back roads for Texas is what, 75 mile an hour anyway, so not that big of a deal. I decided to, since it's Sunday, to bite the bullet and take you for a ride through Memphis. So we just come into Memphis. This is the new 3-lane each side that they put in. That 3rd lane all the way to the right will end, and your 2 left lanes will continue. Now we're fixing to enjoy all the construction, but what the heck, let's take a ride through Memphis and see what creatures we can see, huh? So, let's go. Now, coming up to this stoplight is where I was telling you. You can make a left, go to 55 that way, or you can stay straight through Memphis and get on 240. Now, where you see that JB Hunt truck right there, that's the left-hand turn that'll take you down this side street here and dump you off on 55. But you do have to go through a bunch of stoplights. Either way, you're going to hit stoplights. But either you got to go through a bunch of stoplights going that way, and you'll come out right by the airport, the runway, and dump on the 55 there, and then what you would do is you'd head north on 55 and exit on the 240 and take 240 around to the old 55 bridge and come out over there. Same thing on 40, but you just go across the new bridge. I got Warner over here trying to race me. I don't know why. But anyways, you come across the new bridge by where the pyramid is and come in that way. Let's go. Be careful when you come up to this light here in Memphis. Watch your speed. Don't go through on a yellow light, all that good jazz, because this is one of the only lights here on this stretch. I think the only light here on this stretch that has a traffic camera. I don't know if you'll be able to see it up there on the pole or not, but they do have a traffic camera and they will take your picture. Now, whether you get the ticket or not, I don't know, but they do snap your picture. So try not to go through a yellow light. Try to stop either, don't try to scoot the light. And, make sure you stop. Here comes the Warner driver here trying to race me again. This time he's on the left. I don't know. I guess he wants to race today. He has fun racing himself.
Are you a part of an established team, or are you and your partner looking to explore a new side of the industry? Has your partner recently obtained their CDL and is ready to join you on the road? These are the questions to discuss with our friends at Hyfield.
Hyfield is a leading fleet owner in the expedited industry. They offer modern trucks, spacious sleepers, to keep you comfortable out there on your journey. The dedicated recruiting team is available to help you explore your options and answer any questions you may have.
Ready to see if Hyfield is the right fit for you and your partner? Give them a call at 833-HIFIELD or 833-493-4353 option 1 for recruiting to find out how they can assist you. You can also reach out online at www.hyfieldtrucking.com.
And don't forget to let them know that J Squared Expedited sent you. And now, let's get back to this week's episode. Well, we have made it to our truck stop for our 30-minute break. We are in Texas on 59 South. Dropped out of Texarkana. I don't know why I said Little Rock earlier. I meant Texarkana. But anyways, we're here at the Love's, fixing to pull in here and get some fuel and use the bathroom and maybe get a snack. Let's see. Snack's probably gonna happen, let's be honest. But I need diesel, def, and reefer. The reefer's actually really low, which it shouldn't have been, but I'm assuming whoever dropped the trailer did not put fuel in it before they dropped it. They just went in there and dropped, because that location doesn't check, so I'm assuming they just drove in there and dropped it and didn't get fuel in it. We're supposed to leave them with full tanks, and this one was quite low. If it was dropped there with a full tank, it shouldn't have been that low. Anyways, we're going to pull in here, we're going to take a break, and Cowboy Jim works for night. And see where we're going from there. Of course, we're going to keep heading south. But let's get some fuel.
We have made it to our first stop. We backed on a door, and they're like, "Hey, no, we want you to move to the next one." Got unloaded within like 25 minutes, and then we sat around so I could finish up my 30-minute break. You got to be to one side of it, and then we'll let you out, I guess.
I bet you the sensor's right there.
Yeah. We still have to be in the middle to be able to make this turn.
Yeah. It's pretty tight in here.
Yeah.
Good my way.
Well, I guess we're fixing to get back on the road and head to San Antonio.
Then we get to sit there and wait until 5 a.m. before we can go through that gate. But that's okay. Gives me a good time to take a nap.
Yeah. Alright.
Nap time!
Thank you.
Good morning, y'all. It is 5:55 a.m. and we are at our final stop. You've seen this place like 2 other times on our channel. This super tight back end and all that. You've seen it already, so we didn't show much of it. But we are done. We are empty, and we're on our way out. I think instead of going to the small truck stop that we've been to before, the QT in town, I think I'm just going to go out to the Loves. About 40 miles, just to be outside of San Antonio and to be at a Love's. I think that's where I'm going to head to, so we'll talk to you when we get there, and that's probably where we'll end out the videos. So let's get heading that way. It's 6 o'clock in the morning technically, so traffic's probably going to be hellacious, but we'll make it happen when we get out of here. So talk to y'all. Well, we're gonna end this one right here. We made it to the Loves, laid down for a little bit. We just got another load. That'll be a whole nother video. We're only going to show one load in this video, so the next one will be another video. We got some things going on in the background that we're trying to work through right now, and we're going to kind of need a few videos built up potentially to be able to work through this problem. So we'll explain more later, without a doubt. But until then, we appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for stopping back. Remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day. We're out, y'all.